Hey, hey. Um, hello. Hola. Hey. Hi. Howdy. Shalom. Aloha. I'm a loser. Yeah. So let's see the day. How was my day? My day was good. Uh, yeah, not really much to say about it. Sadly. Oh, I'm freezing. I think I have like some disease that makes me cold all the time. Like I don't know why, but when other people are like normal, I'm freezing. Right now, sitting in my room, I'm freezing and I'm wearing socks, a hat, a sweatshirt, and long pants. I just don't I don't. Oh, I know what I can talk about. The snowstorm we're supposed to get. Yeah. What up, what up? Fingers crossed for snow day. See, here's the thing. I don't really get the whole, like, snow day jinxing thing. Um, like, you say, oh, I really, really hope there's gonna be a snow day, and they're like, well, don't get your hopes up. And then I'm like, oh man, there's just not gonna be a snow day. I'm not counting on it. And they're like, you're jinxing it, or something like that. It's like either way, it's like, oh, I'm like saying there's not gonna be a snow day, and I'm like pretending to think it, but in the inside, I really think there is going to be a snow day. So by saying that I don't think there's going to be a snow day, I'm jinxing it. But even the like, I still think that it's going to be a snow day anyway. So technically, I'm not actually jinxing it. My parents must think I'm weird. Not only do I talk about stuff like this, but I'm sitting in my room alone, talking to seemingly myself. But yeah, I'm really excited for the snowstorm if we get it. Which, it's all fingers crossed with me here. I hope we get it. I don't even know how much snow we're supposed to get. I was on weather.com earlier. I'm Skyping. Sorry, I get a little distracted. Oh my. Okay. Oh my, that's my county. Oh, never mind. Oh, my county has flood watches and blizzard warnings. You know, you know, you know it's good news when it's not a watch, it's a warning. Oh, and we have the blizzard warning. Who has the weather advisory? Okay, that's not what I want. Rock Island, that's where Augustana is. Am I right? Am I right? I am right. Just so you know. Cook. It's awkward. Okay. From snow will increase in intensity and become heavy at times south of Interstate 80 Tuesday afternoon. Blah blah blah. What will be heavy? I just want to know how much snow we're getting. That's all I want to know. 2 to 3 inches per hour. What's thunder snow? Holy crap. So we're somewhat by the lake, right? And it says snow accumulations in excess of a foot are expected over much of the area from Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday afternoon. Localized totals in excess of 20 inches are likely, especially near the lake. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, what's thunder snow? I'm gonna have to make a winter survival kit. I'm supposed to have one with me, apparently. Yeah, dude, they have to have a snow day. This says potentially life-threatening winter storm. Hello, that has snow day written all over it, if you ask. Okay, what's thunder snow? Google. Is it snow that's accompanied by thunder? Thunder snow! Ooh, it's rare. With snow falling as the primary precipitation instead of rain. It's a kind of thunderstorm. Typically falls in regions of strong upward motion. Okay. Yeah, I probably could have guessed that and been right. Would've. Just your typical day at school today. I have lots of homework that I haven't started. Except for, wait, today was different because in early bird, I actually tried. Yeah, that's what's up. I went on the elliptical and I did the elliptical thing the entire time. Which is like only 25 minutes, but still, that's effort right there. I'm so freaking cold. I'm gonna have to give in to my turtleneck. Isn't this just the dorkiest thing you've ever seen in your life? Yeah. Anyways, I think I'm dropping chemistry tomorrow. I have to call colleges first and ask if it's okay or if they'll rescind my admission or something. Which sucks. Why would they do that? I'm just trying to look out for my well-being. I just want to sleep. I mean, not sleep, but like get more than like 5 hours off. Get more than 5 hours of sleep a night. Like, and be able to do my extracurriculars and just life. Okay, well, I have a math test on Thursday. Hate stats. Woohoo! So I have a math test, and I missed the past 2 classes, so basically, I'm gonna have 2 math class. No, the last math class tomorrow, and then Thursday's the test. Hate my life. It never gets easier. I'm a second semester senior, for God's sake. This should be easy. And it needs to start snowing. I do that a lot. Today in choir sucked because we split up into sectionals, sopranos, altos, tenors, basses, and here's the thing. I would lead the sopranos because I know stuff about music, except for if I led them, I know that they just wouldn't. I would like to think that they would listen to me because I know I'm a good leader, but then at the same time, they're choir people, and if I go up there and act like I know what I'm talking about, which I do, they're all gonna be like, man, Margaret is so stuck up. Blah, 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 blah. And I'll be like, yeah, I just know what I'm talking about, peeps. Homie G's. Someone's coming upstairs. But yeah. And so, like, they're so disrespectful, and all they just, like, this one girl did try to take charge. No offense to her, but she's, like, the worst leader in the world. That's not true. She tries. She tries really hard, and I commend her for her efforts. But she just, let's just say she's a Pisces, and Pisces are not natural-born leaders, such as myself, as an Aries. I'm a dork. But yeah, and they were just being really disrespectful. It got to the point where I stood up and I was like, hey guys, some people like actually want to learn here. Which shut them up for like a minute, and then some other girl started yelling at them, and then they just started talking again. No respect. It's a little depressing. I feel like that, like, if you need a lobotomy, just walk into that class and just sit in on a soprano sectional, and you will be satisfied. It will get the job done. Yeah, also today I walked down the hallway. Not only do people walk incredibly slow, which bothers me to no end, but they also talk about really stupid things, so when you're stuck behind them, all you have to do is listen. So you're just standing there, walking slowly, listening to probably the stupidest conversations I've ever heard in my life. And I got to chemistry, and I was like, wow, I think I just lost like 50 brain cells. That was honestly, like, I just got stupider. I actually kind of love those moments. I appreciate them. Make me appreciate how not stupid I am. That's all. On that note, I'm going to go not do my homework and pray for tons of snow. Yeah. Okay. Bye.